Are you tired of spending hours on the floor, grinding out endless crunches and sit-ups, only to see minimal results? It's a common frustration. You put in the work, you feel the burn, but that strong, defined core you're dreaming of still feels out of reach. What if I told you there's a more effective way to train your abs? A method that doesn't just isolate one tiny muscle group, but engages your entire core, boosts your heart rate, and torches calories all at once. It's time to stop working harder and start working smarter. We're going to introduce you to a powerhouse exercise that will revolutionize your core workouts. Get ready, because today, we're conquering the mountain climber. Yep, this simple exercise is way more powerful than it looks. We're talking about the mountain climber, a true full-body powerhouse that blends cardio and strength into one dynamic move. You don't need any equipment, making it the ultimate no-excuses workout. So, what are the benefits? It's a triple threat. First, it absolutely torches your core. We're not just talking about surface abs. It strengthens your entire midsection, which is key for stability and power. Second, it's a massive cardiovascular challenge that cranks up your heart rate, boosting your endurance and overall heart health. This high intensity also means you'll unleash a serious calorie burn, torching fat long after you've finished. Plus, you're building strength in your shoulders, arms, and legs, and improving your agility. Ready to master it? Let's break down the perfect form. Here's how you do it. Start in a high plank position, with your hands placed directly under your shoulders and your body forming a straight, solid line from your head to your heels. From that solid plank position, the real work begins. You're going to drive your knees toward your chest, one at a time. Think of it as a dynamic, powerful movement. It's not just a lift, it's a drive. Imagine you're sprinting up a steep hill, but your track is the floor beneath you. The rhythm should be steady and controlled. When you're first starting, focus on mastering the form with a slower, more deliberate pace. Feel the connection between your core and your legs. As you get more comfortable, you can start to pick up the speed, turning it into a fluid running motion. The absolute key to unlocking the power of mountain climbers is maintaining impeccable form, and that starts with your core. You need to keep it engaged, super tight throughout the entire movement. Imagine someone is about to poke you in the stomach. That's the level of tension you want. This isn't just for looks. Bracing your core is what stabilizes your entire body. It prevents your hips from sagging down towards the floor, which can put unnecessary strain on your lower back. Your back should remain perfectly flat, creating a straight, solid line from the crown of your head to your heels. No arching and no rounding. This posture ensures the work is concentrated right where we want it, in your abs, shoulders, and legs. And don't forget to breathe. It sounds simple, but it's amazing how many of us hold our breath when an exercise gets tough. Establish a breathing pattern that syncs with your movement. A great way to do this is to exhale sharply every time you drive a knee towards your chest, and inhale as you extend it back to the starting position. This rhythmic breathing will not only help you maintain your pace, but will also help keep your core engaged and deliver much-needed oxygen to your working muscles, allowing you to push harder for longer. So why are mountain climbers the secret weapon in so many fitness routines? What makes this single exercise so incredibly effective? The magic lies in its hybrid nature. It's a perfect fusion of strength training and cardiovascular conditioning, all packed into one killer high-intensity move. You're not just building muscle, and you're not just getting your heart rate up. You're doing both simultaneously, making it one of the most efficient exercises on the planet. Let's break down the anatomy of the climb. First and foremost, you are absolutely torching your core. Every knee drive is a powerful crunch, targeting your rectus abdominis, the six-pack muscles. But it doesn't stop there. Your obliques are firing to keep you stable and prevent twisting. Simultaneously, your upper body is locked in an intense isometric hold. Your shoulders, chest, and triceps are working overtime just to maintain that high plank position, building incredible stability and endurance. And let's not forget the legs. Your quads, hamstrings, and glutes are the engines, powering each and every rep. It's a true full-body assault, and the benefits don't stop when you do. Because mountain climbers are so intense, they kick your metabolism into high gear, triggering what's known as the afterburn effect, or EPOC. This means your body continues to burn calories at an elevated rate for hours after your workout is over, as it works to recover and return to its resting state. So you're not just burning calories during the exercise, but long after you've collapsed on your mat in a puddle of sweat. Now, to get all these amazing benefits, form is non-negotiable. Let's cover a few common mistakes to avoid. First, the sagging hips. As you get tired, it's easy to let your hips drop, which disengages your core and strains your lower back. The fix? Keep that core braced. Second is the opposite problem, piking your hips, where your butt goes way up in the air. This makes the exercise feel easier because it takes the load off your abs. Remember that straight line from head to heels. Finally, watch out for bouncing. The movement should be a controlled drive from your legs, not a bouncy, jarring motion. Keep your upper body still and stable. Ready to level up or need to modify? Let's talk variations. For a greater oblique challenge, try cross-body mountain climbers. Drive your right knee towards your left elbow and your left knee towards your right. You'll feel that twist light up your sides. If you're a beginner or your wrists need a break, try an incline mountain climber by placing your hands on a sturdy bench or step. This reduces the load and lets you focus on the movement pattern. And for the advanced athletes out there, try decline mountain climbers by placing your feet on the bench. This shifts more weight onto your upper body and core, making it brutally effective. All right, now that you're a mountain climber expert, it's time to put it into practice. Here is your challenge, structured as a classic HEAT workout to maximize results. Set a timer for 30 seconds of intense work. I want you to go all out, pushing your pace, but never ever sacrificing your form. As soon as that timer goes off, you'll rest for 15 seconds. Just enough time to catch your breath before you go again. Your goal is to complete 4 to 5 rounds of this. The first round will feel manageable. By round 3, you'll feel the burn. By round 5, you'll be questioning your life choices. But trust me, that's where the change happens. That's where you build resilience. And the most beautiful thing about this exercise? Its sheer simplicity and accessibility. You can do this anywhere, anytime. In your living room, in a hotel room, in the park. There's no equipment needed and no excuses. All it takes is you, a small patch of floor, and the determination to push your limits. So the next time you're short on time but want a workout that delivers a massive punch, one that skyrockets your heart rate, shreds your core, and builds full body strength, remember this one move. Are you ready to conquer the mountain? Hit that save button right now so you don't forget. Give this challenge a try during your next workout, and then come back here and drop a comment letting me know how you did. Let's get after it.